Do my hair toss, check my nails. Baby, how you feeling?
Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are just doing a quick unboxing of my red iguana hand, and this is in the 4-finger it doesn't have the things to make it move or whatever, but it is the 4-finger half hand, and this is in the style or color of Lucy. So I'm just unboxing it, and it comes with a coupon code, the instructions, and then we're going to unwrap this beautiful creature. I'm so super excited, and I can't wait to start using her in my videos. And here she is in all her fine glory. Oh my god, she is so beautiful. It looks so lifelike. All the wrinkles and everything. I'm super impressed so far. And she came with a free bling ring. So pretty. So now I'm just comparing the size of Lucy to my hand, and as you see, they are pretty much the same size. It is real life. So amazing. Oh my god, I'm so excited, y'all. Have no idea. I've been wanting one of these forever. And with Lucy, I also got a little clip stand for her to hang from, so that I can do her lovely nails. I'm so excited, y'all, because now you get to watch me do Lucy's hand instead of my own. I know it gets kind of boring to see me doing one hand at a time, but here we go. Now this is, I guess, what they say, the first day of the rest of my life. So now I'm just going to show you how the clip works, and so I'm just clipping it in here, and as you see, when you clip it at the end, it's going to come out easily. So you do want to clip it closer to like the knuckle area, and that way she sits in there snug. And you're just going to see me adjusting the stand and moving her around, and I don't think there's anything else to say. Oh my gosh, y'all, I am so excited. These hands are the best. I see them used in a lot of videos, so I was super excited to be able to review and use this hand. But yeah. Anyways, I don't know if I want to stick with the name Lucy or if I want to give her another name. So comment down below and let me know what your idea of a good hand name is. So here she is. So here's her first glamour shot, and as always, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thanks again for watching, and see y'all later!